Combustion. Let us learn about combustion. The process of burning of a substance with the release of heat and light in the presence of oxygen is called combustion. Fuel plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. Step 1. Place 2 candles on the table. Light both the candles. Step 2. Place an inverted glass over one candle. Step 3. The flame of the candle flickers, produces smoke and gets extinguished. Step 4. The candle burns only as long as the oxygen is present in the inverted glass. Step 5. The uncovered candle continues to burn. We get down to the conclusion that the presence of oxygen is must for the process of combustion to take place. A substance can only burn in the presence of oxygen.